Hello everybody, welcome into team preview for the Tarboro High Vikings. Coming off a quote-unquote disappointing third-round loss to Warsaw James Keenan last year. Obviously for most teams, getting to the third round of the playoffs is a significant accomplishment, but when you've been to the top of the mountain as recently as Tarboro has, third round is kind of disappointing. Losing on their home field, I'm sure, stung a little bit, but this is a team that has a lot of pride and has finally kind of found the work ethic and the camaraderie that led Tarboro to 5 consecutive state title game appearances just a couple years ago. Talking with Coach Andrew Harding, he talked about specifically the fact that this is probably the best offseason they've had since 2012, which I don't have to remind you guys out there is the last time Tarboro made a state title game. So the expectations are sky high for the Vikings. And I really think the question mark for them is, can they finally get over the hump? I'm not. They're going to play that difficult non-conference schedule, like always. But the question is, are they prepared when they have to face James Keenan, when they have to face Wallace Rose Hill with a spot in the state title game on the line? Can they rise to the occasion? Can they step up and feed off that pressure like they haven't really been able to do the past couple of seasons? That's my biggest question mark for them. I think their biggest game is going to be the second week of the season, so August 26th against Washington. I think Washington's probably the most difficult non-conference game that they're going to play. Yes, Southwest Edgecombe is that rivalry game, but Washington is always a tough team to have them come to Tarboro. Winning that game, I think, sets up Tarboro in a perfect stretch where they could potentially run the table. And in fact, I'm going to go on a limb and say they are going to run the table. They're going to go 11-0 this season. But again, 11-0 is great, but if it does end with a state title ring, it's going to be another disappointing year for the Vikings.